Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 75800X and the Ryzen 7700X. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and user feedback to help you decide which CPU is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The AMD Ryzen 75800X features 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock of 3.8 GHz and a boost clock up to 4.7 GHz. It has a 36 MB cache and supports DDR4-3200 memory. In contrast, the Ryzen 77700X also has 8 cores and 16 threads, but boasts a higher base clock of 4.5 GHz and a boost clock of up to 5.4 GHz, along with a larger 40 MB cache and support for faster DDR5-5200 memory. Both processors have a TDP of 105W, but the 7700X utilizes the newer AM5 socket and PCIe 5.0 support, making it more future-proof. The Ryzen 75800X is praised for its excellent gaming performance and strong multitasking capabilities, but it suffers from being based on an older architecture and can run hot under load. On the other hand, the 7700X offers higher clock speeds and a larger cache, but it requires a more expensive AM5 motherboard and can also run hot without proper cooling. Both processors have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different types of users. User reviews for the Ryzen 75800X highlight its excellent performance in gaming and ease of overclocking, while some users mention the need for adequate cooling due to high temperatures. Conversely, the 7700X is noted for its superior gaming performance and efficiency, but users have raised concerns about its heat output and the necessity of a new AM5 motherboard. Overall, both processors have garnered positive feedback, but potential buyers should consider their cooling solutions and motherboard compatibility. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 75800X and 7700X are excellent processors, each with its unique advantages. The 7700X offers better performance and future-proofing, while the 5800X remains a solid choice for budget-conscious users. Make sure to consider your existing hardware and future upgrade plans when making your decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.